Alright people, I'm back, and look what I found. My spare key. So I don't have to go all the way back to my house to get the key. And I found some parts that I ordered, or some things I wanted to add to it. As you can see there, gas, grass, or ass, nobody rides for free. I figured that was funny. So I got it. I'm gonna stick that on somewhere. And I got these lights. There's some LED daytime running lights, I guess. Ordered these. I want to put these on the front. Pretty cool. I mean, it's already got one headlight on the front, so why not just add this one or these ones? It's two of them. Boom, LED. So yeah, thinking where should I put them? Like somewhere in the front. Do I want to stick them in somewhere like this, or just have them hang off of there? I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I cleaned the carb for now. Pretty good. I'm gonna put it back on, and pretty sure the battery's dead, so I'm gonna have to recharge this battery because that thing, I can guarantee you now, it's dead. So let's set this up to there. Is that it? Yep. And get this card back on here. Okay. Got it on. So let's test it. See if it'll turn over. I don't know. Stupid rock. Nope. Did that test. Didn't even tick. Like, not a sound. So I'm gonna have to charge this battery before I do anything. So, gotta charge the battery. Okay, so while it's charging, I figured I'd put the headlights on it that I got right here. Already showed it, but yeah. So, I've already gotten this plate thingy there, and I got the holes put there already. Oh wait, right there. There's a hole and there's a hole. Perfect like that. So, I'm gonna get that other one right there. Somewhere around there. I ain't really looking for it to be perfect. I just want them on. And yeah. So, figured I might as well just record myself doing that. Okay, I'm back. And I lost a lot of footage due to the fact of me recording and, well, camera died. So I did a lot of stuff with, like, I didn't finish the lights. I just kind of got pissed off about it. I'll just wait for it. But I sat here, I broken the seat. Oh crap, yeah. Okay. Broken the seat. Like, it's not even attached on anymore. And okay, so I lost a lot of footage. And the reason for that is because Camera died. So I'm sitting here doing a lot of stuff and the camera dies and I'm thinking it's recording, but it wasn't. So far it still won't run. I can't really figure out what's wrong with this thing. Like, I've already cleaned the carburetor. I've actually done that like 3 times now just to make sure. I've checked the spark plugs, that's getting spark. Let's see. I've changed the oil, changed the gas, fuel filter. I took that apart this way. It's just like an intake. Right here is the intake. Wait, there. This whole thing is the intake, and it was supposed to go to here, and then the fuel filter, which is this big thing. But I took that off. Still not working. It's in neutral, and I can't think of anything else that can be wrong with it. It's getting gas and it's getting spark, so why isn't it turning over? Or starting up. I mean, it's turning over, but it's not starting up. It's kind of pissing me off a little bit. So I don't know really what much to do. Oh, and it had this thing attached to it, which is supposed to be like the fuel whatchamathingy. And I took that off and just sent the fuel from going through here, getting filtered and everything. I just took that off. So now it's just going from the fuel line straight to the carburetor, and it's still not working. I don't know if the carburetor's got gas in it yet, but I know it's not working right now. So I'm gonna check, see if there's gas in the carb, and if it's not, then I don't know what to say. Okay, so it's on the carb. I gotta get this tool, open this up, wrong one, to this one, wrong one again. Let's try this one. Okay, there it is. Gotta open this up. Doesn't any gas come out of it, then it's not getting gas to the carb yet, which nothing came out, as you can see. Like, nothing. So, there it is. It hasn't gotten gas to the carb yet. So, who knows what it could be. Well, it hasn't gotten gas to the carb yet, apparently. It's the smallest I got. Oh well. Yeah. Did that. There's no gas in the carb yet, so I gotta run it a little more. Or not run it, but try. Gotta turn it over a little more so it can get the gas to the carburetors, because I guess when I cleaned it, it hasn't gotten gas to the carb yet. So if this doesn't work, I'm gonna be pissed, and I'm not gonna deal with this engine anymore. Just gonna have to get a new one. Shit. Let's see. No, the headlight's working. Ah. Headlight's working. This one, but not that one. And I connected it all to the same wiring, and it's just not working. So let's try and start it up. No guarantees it's gonna work. I know what I can try.